Welcome back to English class. Before we start Unit 2, let us know about the author Shobha Ghosh. Shobha Ghosh, PhD, is the Associate Chairperson for Research in the Department of Internal Medicine at VCU Medical Center. She received her MS degree in clinical biochemistry from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research before obtaining her PhD degree in biochemistry from the Indian Institute of Science. After completing her first postdoctoral training at the biochemistry at VCU Medical Center, she was appointed as an assistant professor in the Department of Internal Medicine in 1999, where she is now a professor of medicine. She is also a professor of physiology since 2008. She has published 45 papers originating from the research performed directly from her laboratory and presented her work at national and international conferences. In recognition of her research endeavors, she received DOIM Faculty Award for Distinguished Research in 2004. She has also published several limited review articles and book chapters. Her expertise is routinely sought by several journals as a peer reviewer and by AHA to grade abstract for the annual scientific session. Unit 2, A Soldier's Son. Author Shobha Ghosh. Pre-reading activity. Listen to the speaker. Read the passage given below at home and be ready to listen to your teacher's narration of it in class. Then answer her question. So here in this passage, once or the other day, I read. It means the speaker read a newspaper about a brave act of a small girl named Amina. This girl Amina saw a child fall into a sump. Sump means it is a pit. You can call it as a pit. Without a moment of hesitation, the girl jumped into the sump, which was 6 feet deep and full of water. So sump means in the pit there is water. It is filled with the water. Amina was 3 feet. Amina was 3 feet and the sump was 6 feet deep and filled with water. Amina, holding her breath and wildly kicking her feet, somehow she managed to throw out the child and climbed up. Seeing this, both the mothers who were the laborers in that sight came running. Ramachandra's mother hugged Amina and dried her hair, which was wet with the end of her sari or pallu. See, when Amina jumped into the sump and saved the child, her hair was wet. So that Ramachandra's mother hugged Amina and dried her hair with the end of her sari. So you can call it as pallu also, isn't it? Amina's mother tended the gasping child Tended. What do you mean by tended? Tended means the past form of tend. Tend means be something. Gasping means to make or to take a sudden loud breath with your mouth open. Usually because you are surprised or in pain. Lakshmi hugged Amina again and shed tears on her head. Why did Lakshmi hug? Because she saw the bravery of Amina, who jumped and helped the child. So that with excitement she shed with tears on her head, seeing the bravery of Amina. So here in this passage, it shows the bravery of the girl Amina who saved the child from the deep sump without hesitation or without fear. This is bravery. Answer to my question. Who read in a newspaper about a brave act of a small girl who slip and fall in the sump? What did Amina do when she saw a child fall in the sump? Who dried the hair of Amina? Was Amina a brave girl?